Hey guys, it's Alexa. So for today's video, I will be showing you how I do my everyday glowy makeup routine, and if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, this is the makeup look that I often go for, and yeah, if you want to see how I do it, stay tuned. So I already went ahead and did my eyelashes. Now I'm just adding foundation all over my face to even out my skin tone, and then I'm blending it out with a beauty sponge. And then I'll also be blending the excess foundation down my neck. Now I'm just adding concealer to brighten certain areas of my face and blending it out with a beauty sponge. Next, I'm just setting my face with some translucent powder. For blush, I'll be using two lipsticks from Maven Beauty in the shade Snatched and Maven Red, and applying the shades on the back of my hand. This is a nice pigmented creamy matte formula and creates the perfect shade for my cheeks. I'll be using a fluffy brush to apply the product on my cheekbones as well as the apples of my cheeks to create a more seamless finish. One of my favorite things about using these lipsticks as my blush is because they last longer. Then I'm adding the excess on my forehead, chin, and my nose. And then I'm just filling in my eyebrows and setting them, as well as adding concealer underneath to clean up the look. And then I'm taking this Maven Beauty Basic Beat eyeshadow palette in the shade Medium Blend and blending the three darker shades together to create the perfect contour shade for my skin tone. I make sure to dust off the excess because this product is very pigmented, and just continue to define my cheekbones and jawline with it. And then I'm taking this shade from the same Maven Beauty palette and using it to contour my nose. Now I'm just softening out my nose contour with a powder brush. Next step is I'm adding the same contour shade underneath my lip to make it more pouty. To highlight my eye area, I'm using the Maven Beauty Basic Beat eyeshadow palette in Spotlight. I'm using the lightest shade in the palette to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. This is one of my favorite shimmer palettes because it's super pigmented, and I also don't experience any fallout from the product. And then I'm also adding some to my brow bone. To brighten up my eyes a little bit more, I'm using Maven Beauty's waterproof eyeliner in the shade 24K. It's a gold shimmer that I'm applying on my lower lash line near the inner corner, and it's also super shimmery and waterproof, so it lasts all throughout my day. I wanted to add a little bit more redness to my cheeks, so I took Maven Beauty's eyeshadow palette in Bold Blend and used the lightest pink shade in the palette and went over the areas where I applied blush earlier. Finally, one of my favorite steps, which is highlighting. I'm using Maven Beauty's highlighter in Draped Up. This gives a glossy glaze finish to the skin, which is so beautiful. I'm just lightly dusting it on my cheekbones and using my finger to apply it down the center of my nose. And applying some on my chin and forehead temples as well. Now I'm lining my lips with a nude lip liner, and then I'm taking Maven Beauty's lipstick in Snatched. This is one of my favorite pinky nude shades that doesn't dry out my lips for every day. Then I'm adding some red tint on my lips and then lip gloss. Lastly, I'm just setting my whole face with some glowy setting spray and letting it dry. So that's it for the video, guys. Go ahead and check out Maven Beauty. They've got some really amazing products which I have used all throughout the video, and all their links will be in the description box down below, so go check it out right now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.